In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create document in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to start writing, and how to share or download your work, all without any guesswork. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. That's where most of your navigation happens inside Grok. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click it to reveal your workspace options. From that menu, choose Files. This takes you to the place where all your documents live. Think of it as your central hub for anything you create or upload. At the top left of this page, you'll notice a label that says Files. Right beside that label, there's a small plus sign. That plus sign is your shortcut to creating something new. Click the plus sign and a small menu will appear. From the choices, select Document. This opens a brand new blank document so you can get right to composing. You'll land in an editor view where the main area is ready for your text. Start typing to draft your content, or paste in material from elsewhere if you've prepared it in advance. As you write, use the on-screen formatting options to keep things clean and readable. Apply headings for structure, bold or italics for emphasis, and lists where they help clarity. If you're working from notes, it can help to sketch an outline first and then expand each point into full sentences and sections. Once you've composed what you need, take a moment to scan for consistency. Check spacing, headings, and any links you've added. When you're satisfied with the draft, look to the top right corner of the document view. You'll find your options to share, copy, or download the document. Choose Share if you want to make the document accessible to others. This is useful when you need collaborators or viewers to read it online. Pick Copy to duplicate the document within Grok, which is handy for creating a version you can revise without touching the original. And select Download if you want a local copy on your device. Perfect for archiving, sending as an attachment, or keeping an offline backup. That's it. You went to Grok, open Files, use the plus sign to create a new document, composed your content, and then chose whether to share, copy, or download. Follow these steps each time you need a new document, and you'll move from blank page to finished piece with confidence.